is HunMoc and welcome to today's video. And today we're gonna focus on this week's first layout, and this is the result. And this is the downtown construction site, and it was really great to build this one. And for those who have missed it, I had this earlier in this week. This was my inspiration, this set. And now I have constructed a little bit my imagination who looked on the back side on this box. And this is the result, which I'm gonna show you today. I hope you're gonna like it. And let's get started to have a close-up so we can see what I have done and what I will do in later this week as the final layout. So let's go and check it out. Let's have a little background, and this is where the whole week's project started, with this awesome set. I always have been a little fond about like a cement mixer or big trucks or etc. But as when I started to build some Legos, it's always found that there was a pretty cool sets, but it's something always missing. So what I have done, and what this channel, those who are new at this channel, I always pick out a set which I started a project which continues in two different layouts. The first one, which I call, is the basic version. Then the second one is the advanced version. The difference between those two is the ground idea, and the other one is the final idea, which, how I see it, this awesome set should be represented. So let's see what I have done. For the basic layout for this week is this one. In my thought, in my imagination, I used the background of the box, and you could see there was somewhere in like a major city, and this is like a construction area. So I have chosen to use this one. And what I have done is that I choose a couple of different colors. So this is like the sidewalk in the city, and here is the main road. So I cut it off, and yeah, it's very good to remind that in this channel, and I always have like a restriction for 32 by 32. That's why I haven't built it a larger, because I want to have like restrictions, and to be honest, it's very challenging to have a lot of details in small places, but I really enjoyed the challenge. So anyway, back to what I have done and my idea. My idea is that to have like a wall to surround it and close off the construction site for safety reasons. So that's I have used these ones. It came from like a container. I think it's a pretty old set with some like an island. I don't really remember which set it was, but I think it looked pretty good to have like a wall. And I have used this color to have it like a sandy area, and I think I'm gonna have like a different colors on this one, or maybe build in a pipe or something like the sewers or something like that. It's something I have an idea of, and I have put it up some lights to light up the whole construction site, just you see. I think this looks pretty good to have like a good visual of the whole site. And also I have put it in some extras, and this is like gas or helium. I don't really know what they are using, what type of gas to use it on the construction site, but I have put it in. And this is like spare parts, which I have chosen to have. It would be like something like this. And this is when they arrive in like on a truck or something. It's a shipment. I have put it in like a little hole right here, which the cement gonna be put it up. So how we start everything, and I have put some bricks also with like a palette, brown pieces, so it's like from a shipment. And here you see on this side is how everything starts when they build up on this construction. And you can see there is, which I mentioned earlier, it's the hole right over there. And this is how they start to build up each office. So it's going to be like an office area or a business area. I don't really know yet. We will see. And there is the spare, the windows, which the construction worker gonna install it. You can see it one here. I'm gonna turn this around so you can see it a little better. And this is like the cement and the concrete, and this is I have used like this brown pieces to have it like it's like iron when you build like a concrete or something to have more stability. It's the iron. It's a little rusty. Maybe gonna change the color. I don't know yet, but I thought it looked good with the brown one. And here you can see like the wooden floor. I'm gonna have a little better close up so you can see it better. It's dark brown to have like a little exclusive floor. And let's turn it a little around so you can see it better on this side, how the wall will construct up. I've used these different pieces with the bricks. And my thought was to build at least like one level so you could see a little the finish and everything around it. And of course over here, the thought was to have like the minifigures and the construction worker on each level higher up. I'm not gonna have like an office building that's gonna be really many levels, but the thought and the idea is over there. We will see where it will end. And so I have just put it like I'm maybe gonna have like an entrance guard or a little booth right over here, just like in a parking lot, to give the access to the construction place. But the thought was to have this set to back it up, to enter right over here and fill up the cement just right over the little hole which I earlier showed you in the close-up, just right over here, like this. And this was where I thought it's gonna be pretty awesome. And of course the architect, just right over here, the boss. And to shut off the whole sidewalk, to use these warning signs. And of course this was, which came along with the set. But this is the basic layout, which is where I found I am on the way for something really pretty cool. And I think it's going to be pretty awesome. But this is how far I have gone with the first layout. And the first layout is always just to give a little heads up or idea where everything will go. And maybe I'm going to change some parts, but I think I'm gonna definitely use different like levers with little pieces and make maybe a sewer pipe or water pipe. I don't really know yet, but it's gonna come in a couple of days, latest on Sunday, because I need to finish this project to start a new one next week. But as a basic, I think it looks pretty good, and it's gonna be very good when we are finished. But we will see. Anyway, I hope you like where this is going. And so this is the first layout. I hope you liked it and you like the result. I think so. It looks pretty good, and it gives you a good heads up where we're going. And then we are back. I hope you like this first layout. This is the basic layout. I'm gonna add additional things during this journey, and on Sunday I'm gonna present you the final and more advanced and detailed layout for this set. We started here at this awesome set, but this is what the channel is about, to have additional and make improvements and make a surrounding or environment which I think this set really deserves. So if you like this video and like what I do, please give it a like. If you want to be a part of this journey for each week, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on Sunday with the final layout which I'm gonna present to you. So until then, take care and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye bye.